How to make money on YouTube with 100 subscribers or even less. What if I told you that that clip that I showed you right there a while ago, that 1 second clip, that person was able to make $4 doing that? Just 1 second clip. I'll be showing you how persons with small YouTube channel are able to make money daily. The first thing you will need to do is go onto pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is a website that persons go on to download copyright-free photos, illustrations, sound effect, and music. And by copyright-free, I mean that you can upload these audio or photos on any website or on your YouTube channel or any music video without getting a copyright strike or any creator coming back to claim that they created it. So once on pixabay.com, you are going to tap on sound effects, as we are going to be using the sound effects section to make money. Once in Pixabay and you tap on sound effects, you will see that they have a very vast library of sound effects that you can choose from, and they range from 9 minutes long to even 15 seconds short. So you can select the ones that you like, and you can also tap on the search bar right here and search for particular ones. But I'll be showing you more about that. So now that you know that you're going to create a YouTube channel, you know that it will be about sound effects, let me show you the website that will be paying you. You are going to go onto Uploadforever.com. This is a file sharing website, so you will simply upload the file, and once persons click on your link, you'll be able to get paid. There are numerous websites like this, but I would recommend that you give this one a try, as thus far it has proven to be the most reliable, and it also has the most payment options, and it's quite easy to sign up. But before even signing up, let me show you some payment proof of how much persons are earning. As you can see right here, this video is being done on the 24th of July, and you can see that persons are getting paid as we speak. This person got paid $10 via PayPal, and you can see that the payment list goes on, and you can see the different payment options from $10 to $2. The person's getting paid even $51. So you can see that the payment threshold is very low, and you can also see that there are numerous payment options. And if I should go even further, once on Uploadforever, you will be able to get paid once persons have clicked on your, over 1,000 persons have clicked on your link and downloaded a file. And I'll be showing you how to get lots of viewers daily, so you'll be able to get even more. And you can see, depending on the country that the person that clicks on your link is from, that will estimate the amount you'll be able to earn. For example, tier 1 countries like America and Canada, you'll be able to earn $7, and for tier 2 countries like Australia, you'll be able to earn $4, and you can see that it goes down to $3 for tier 4 countries, which would be any other country in the world. And when I said that there are numerous payment options when it comes to Uploadforever, I wasn't lying. Because if I should scroll down right here, let me show you. Right here, if I should scroll down right here, you can see the payment methods. You can see that you can get paid via PayPal, Payeer, Web Money, Perfect Money. There are numerous options. You can also get paid via cryptocurrency. So if you want to earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, you can do that. So it doesn't matter the country that you are in, one of these payment options are certain to be able to work for you. So whether you want to get paid Skrill or Western Union, you'll be able to get paid through this website. So now that you know that this is the website that is going to pay you, let me show you some other examples of persons that are using this website to earn money. As if I should go back to the original video, you can see right here that 1 second clip. You can see that the person has included a link in the description, that once a person taps on this link, they will be directed just to a website like this, and you'll be able to get paid. It's as simple as that. And the person YouTube channel, as you can see right here, they only have on 91 subscribers, and in fact they haven't uploaded a video since the past year, but you can see that they are getting views daily and they are earning money daily. So all you'll be doing is simply going onto Pixabay and you'll be searching for different sound effects. What I would recommend that you do is simply come onto YouTube right here, and you can search for different sound effects that persons are searching for. For example, you can type in military and leave a space and then type in sound effects, and you can see military radio chatter, military drums, military siren, military march. There are numerous keywords that you can use, and you'll simply copy the keyword from YouTube. Then you're going to go onto Pixabay and paste it in the search bar, and you're going to find the MP3 file that matches it right here. And once you have downloaded it, you're going to go on Google and you're going to search for MP3 to MP4, and you're going to convert the MP3 to MP4, and that's it. Once you have converted it to MP4, you're going to simply upload that file to your YouTube channel with the keyword that you had found right here. And once you have done that, you are going to include your Uploadforever link, better yet, in the description, and once persons go and tap on your link, you'll be able to get